Good day everyone. So in this video, basically, I'm going to be showcasing how to deploy a React app in Vercel, including environment variables. I'm going to be using my own project, recipe app, and the client section. And basically, when it's done, it's going to look like this. So if I log in, basically log in. And variable, it could be as well from MongoDB and so forth, but I decided to use Firebase. So okay, let's get started. So to start it off, log into your Vercel. So you add new project. You decide on your project. I'm gonna take this one, recipes app. It actually doesn't show for some reason React, but I'm gonna choose other. Root directory. I have client and server. Server is just like Go based, and client is the one that I'm choosing. Yeah. So basically, I needed to add Vercel JSON. It's not always the case, but in this case it was quite essential. Because here I don't specify the node engine. I usually just use nvm use 16 and then run npm run start, right? This is how it works for me locally, but in the package JSON, it's not like that. And I had some dependency mismatch when running. So that's why I added a Vercel JSON. And there is well .env file, but not gonna go through it now. So, and before we continue on the build, it's important to add environmental variables. In my case, I use Firebase. And here, for example, in config, I have added these API key process env, auth domain, React app. It's really essential in Vercel, and I think a lot of other deployments to have React app prefix. And if it would be view as I have it, then it should be view for it to read it. So it has to match this kind of variable name for Vercel to read it. And I have my environmental variable here. So one thing you can do is actually manually add, but there is other option as well. Where can I add it? No, I don't have it here. Building. Yeah, let's just make it like that. And maybe then afterwards I have to actually re-add it. I can add it manually, but I want to just import my env package. It's gonna take some time. Let's see. An issue. Let's see, build logs. There's some kind of error. This one is like quite often the case. Yeah, that one just maybe have to. It's right like that. Oh, now I have the import. You can see everything is added. Save. Is it automatically even the server port? I think here I actually have it. Yeah, localhost for now. So maybe let's now try to redeploy it. Redeploy. Let's hope it's gonna work now. Hope I'm not gonna run into any errors, but who knows. Vercel build, it should actually work because here as I specified before I added the Vercel build. So it should in a way work, but you never know with deployment. And the error introduction. It's an error. Primary variable. Not options. Open. Save. So that's gonna work actually. There's a way. Can I? You can see like a lot of failed deployments. Yeah, and as you can see now it's deployed. Let's see what's up. And there's some issue, but this is because of Firebase. As you can see, not authenticated recipe, so I have to copy this one. Copy. This is just based on Firebase, so where do I have Firebase? Aha. Here it is. This was like with the previous one. I'm gonna remove it. Add a domain because I need access for here it is. It has been added. So now let's see if it made a change. So I refresh, login. Let's login. And as you can see, I'm here logged in. This is like my website is not yet done. And I can access my own page. So this is just a beginning. I'll be as well be able to do the backend section of it. As mentioned, my backend is fully based on Go. It's like a working process. As mentioned in my other previous video that using Go with Firebase is a little bit an overkill. But like I discovered a little bit too late, but it doesn't matter, can just still continue with it. And yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something from it. And in addition, I'm gonna add this blog as well in the video link below if interested. Here basically I'm adding using Vercel and Heroku for a real-time chat application. So I hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Cheers.